In Ocean Beach Thursday, swells as high as single-story houses routinely rolled in and occasionally peaked high enough to wash over the pier, which is closed through storm season. A couple surfers paddled out and a few people tried swimming near the beach, but most of the gathered crowd were there just to see the swells. San Diego lifeguard Lieutenant Lonnie Stevens says with these conditions, that's the safest strategy.
So we want people to enjoy the wonders of Mother Nature because it does not happen very often, but we want them to enjoy it from a distance and make sure you're in a safe spot when you're watching the waves.
The source of the large waves are a pair of Arctic storm fronts in the northern Pacific. The highest swells, along with rain, are expected Saturday. Stevens says wave faces as high as 20 feet are possible. Deadly conditions for anyone without proper training and experience.
For surfers who want to get in the water, make that self-inventory. Have you been training? Land-based training. Have you been training in the water? Have you been going on surf trips around the world and participating in very large surf events? If you haven't, then this is life-threatening to you as well. So take that personal inventory and be honest with yourself.
Surfer Aaron Peach just came out of the water at Dog Beach north of the pier. He says the swells here are more manageable, but that's changing fast.
I've seen a couple over the pier. That right there is probably that's 10-foot face right there in the inside. It's starting to get big though, absolutely, yeah.
A National Weather Service high surf warning and coastal flood advisory is in effect through Monday morning. Andrew Dyer, KPBS News.